Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video presentation, I'll explore essential multiple choice questions, MCQs, with a brief explanation from Unit 5 of the JKssb Female Supervisor exam, specifically focusing on chemical analysis of food, Part 1. Dear viewers, I also encourage you to study the detailed theory behind these MCQs through internet searches because there is always a possibility of errors in answers. For MCQs on other topics, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's attempt to solve some important MCQs one by one with a brief explanation, focusing on the topic chemical analysis of food. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of conducting a moisture analysis in food? A. Determine sugar content. B. Measure water content. C. Assess fat concentration. D. Identify protein levels. The correct answer to question 1 is option B. Measure water content. Explanation. Moisture analysis helps determine the amount of water present in a food sample. Question 2. Which method is commonly used for protein analysis in food? A. Gravimetric method. B. Titration method. C. Spectrophotometric method. D. Chromatographic method. The correct answer to question 2 is option C. Spectrophotometric method. Explanation. The spectrophotometric method is commonly employed for accurate protein analysis in food. Question 3. What does the ash content in food analysis represent? A. Fat content. B. Mineral content. C. Protein content. D. Carbohydrate content. The correct answer to question 3 is option B. Mineral content. Explanation. Ash content represents the mineral content left after complete combustion of organic matter. Question 4. In food analysis, what does the term pH measure? A. Sugar concentration. B. Acidity or alkalinity. C. Protein levels. D. Water content. The correct answer to question 4 is option B. Acidity or alkalinity. Explanation. pH measures the acidity or alkalinity of a food sample. Question 5. What is the purpose of conducting a lipid analysis in food? A. Determine water content. B. Assess sugar concentration. C. Measure fat content. D. Identify mineral levels. The correct answer to question 5 is option C. Measure fat content. Explanation. Lipid analysis helps determine the fat content in a food sample. Question 6. Which method is commonly used for the determination of vitamin C in food? A. High-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC. B. Gravimetric method. C. Titration method. D. Spectrophotometric method. The correct answer to question 6 is option A. High-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC. Explanation. HPLC is frequently used for accurate analysis of vitamin C in food. Question 7. What does the term refractometry measure in food analysis? A. Acidity. B. Sugar concentration. C. Fat content. D. Mineral levels. The correct answer to question 7 is option B. Sugar concentration. Explanation. Refractometry is used to measure the concentration of sugars in a solution. Question 8. Which chemical analysis method is suitable for determining the moisture content in food? A. Karl-Fischer titration. B. Gravimetric method. C. Spectrophotometry. D. Chromatography. The correct answer to question 8 is option A. Karl-Fischer titration. Explanation. Karl-Fischer titration is a precise method for determining the moisture content in food. Question 9. What does the iodine value measure in lipid analysis? A. Saturated fat. B. Unsaturated fat. C. Trans fat. D. Total fat content. The correct answer to question 9 is option B. Unsaturated fat. Explanation: iodine value is a measure of the unsaturation level in fats and oils. Question 10. Which instrument is commonly used for spectrophotometric analysis in food science? A. Mass spectrometer. B. Spectrophotometer. C. Chromatograph. D. pH meter. The correct answer to question 10 is option B. Spectrophotometer. Explanation: spectrophotometers are widely used to measure the absorbance of light in food analysis. Question 11. In food analysis, what does the term titration involve? A. Measurement of water content. B. Analysis of minerals. C. Determination of acidity or alkalinity. D. Assessment of protein levels. The correct answer to question 11 is option C. Determination of acidity or alkalinity. Explanation: titration is a method used to determine the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. Question 12. Which method is commonly employed for the analysis of amino acids in food? A. Chromatography. B. Gravimetric method. C. Titration method. D. Spectrophotometric method. The correct answer to question 12 is option A. Chromatography. Explanation: chromatography is commonly used for the separation and analysis of amino acids in food samples. Question 13. What is the primary purpose of analyzing carbohydrates in food? A. Determine water content. B. Assess sugar concentration. C. Measure fat content. D. Identify protein levels. The correct answer to question 13 is option B. Assess sugar concentration. Explanation: carbohydrate analysis helps determine the sugar concentration in food samples. Question 14. Which method is suitable for determining the mineral content in food? A. Titration method. B. Gravimetric method. C. Spectrophotometric method. D. Atomic absorption spectroscopy. The correct answer to question 14 is option D. Atomic absorption spectroscopy. Explanation: atomic absorption spectroscopy is commonly used for the determination of mineral content in food. Question 15. What does the term Brix measure in refractometry? A. Acidity. B. Sugar concentration. C. Fat content. D. Water content. The correct answer to question 15 is option B. Sugar concentration. Explanation: Brix is a unit of measurement used in refractometry to indicate sugar concentration. Question 16. Which technique is commonly used for the analysis of volatile compounds in food? A. Titration. B. Spectrophotometry. C. Gas chromatography. D. Gravimetric method. The correct answer to question 16 is option C. Gas chromatography. Explanation: gas chromatography is a suitable technique for analyzing volatile compounds in food. Question 17. What does the term enzymatic assay involve in food analysis? A. Measurement of water content. B. Assessment of enzyme activity. C. Determination of acidity. D. Analysis of mineral levels. The correct answer to question 17 is option B. Assessment of enzyme activity. Explanation: enzymatic assays are used to assess the activity of enzymes in food samples. Question 18. Which chemical analysis method is commonly used for determining the acidity in food? A. Gas chromatography. B. pH meter. C. Spectrophotometry. D. Karl-Fischer titration. The correct answer to question 18 is option B. pH meter. Explanation: pH meters are commonly used for the direct measurement of acidity or alkalinity in food. Question 19. What does the term gas chromatography mass spectrometry (GCMS) analyze in food samples? A. Water content. B. Protein levels. C. Volatile compounds. D. Mineral content. The correct answer to question 19 is option C, volatile compounds. Explanation: GCMS is used to analyze volatile compounds in food samples. Question 20. In food analysis, what does the term ransimat measure? A. Lipid oxidation stability. B. Protein denaturation. C. Sugar fermentation. D. Moisture content. The correct answer to question 20 is option A. Lipid oxidation stability. Explanation: ransimat is a method used to measure the stability of lipids against oxidation in food samples. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoki Bilal.